Hi guys, today I'll be unboxing the Captain America Avengers Assemble Deluxe figure. This is number 589 in the Marvel line. Here are the others you can collect to combine into the Avengers Assemble scene in the first movie. I only got Captain America because I'm not collecting the others. The blue is a lot more vibrant than I expected. I'm glad we finally got this figure from the first Avengers movie. Here's a closer look at his mask. The wings on this mask look a lot like in the comics. Here's a closer look at his costume. Like I've said before, it looks a lot better on the pop than in the movie. The lines on the costume is really detailed. Here's a standard Captain America shield. And here's a closer look at America's butt. The shoes are really well sculpted. The base is done in a way that makes it look good as an individual pop as well if you don't want to display them together. There are details on the side of the base. I like that they included the fire coming out of the ground. Here's a full 360 spin of the figure. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I also forgot to show you the cardboard backing of the box, which shows the background of the scene. You can display it like this. Thanks for watching.